Hi everyone. It's been a while since we've uploaded because we got married.
We were busy.
We were busy.
Planning a big
So
party.
we have packages galore of Crate and Barrel and William Sonoma. So this episode we're going to unbox 2 William Sonoma packages. Sarah can go first. You may unbox this.
Okay, thank you. We're pretty excited. We had a wonderful year being engaged. Had a lot of fun with all of our friends and family. Ooh. Oh my.
Ooh, wow.
Really love the William Sonoma gift wrap. It's adorable.
It's a little
Little pineapples. Pineapple. I think pineapples are the universal. Hello there.
Wow.
Thank you, sir. I want to see what's from first. Aww. So this is from your Aunt Joanna and Uncle Frank, Isabella and Abby.
nice.
And Aunt Joanna came to the wedding. But the pineapple is the universal symbol for welcome, right? For hospitality.
I didn't know that.
That's the case.
Universal symbol for welcome.
Yeah. Right? That's why there's pineapples all over Hawaii.
I thought it was because the fruit was
Well, I think that is the case too, but look it up. We'll check it out.
I thought it was legitimately called Maui Gold because of
Yeah, for sure. That is why it's called Maui Gold. But I think that like pineapples mean hospitality. And William Sonoma, fine culinary institution that it is. I guess culinary institution. I don't know.
They got food, so that makes them culinary.
Yay! Beautiful package. Okay. 2 gigantic baking sheets. I don't even know if these will fit in my oven, but someday I will have an oven that these will fit in, and I will make dozens of delicious cookies.
Food over here.
And a beautiful set of glass bowls. Stop it. Enough. These are graduated bowls. Let's see if I can show them to you. They're just simple glass bowls, and they're all nesting, and I think there's a set of 10 prep bowls. Beautiful. Thanks, Uncle Frank and Aunt Joanna.
Can I have the scissors, please? So we've now just doubled our boxes.
Yeah, they were all like...
Literally, we should double the size of the boxes. Because it was one inside of another. We have a box problem right now.
Seems a little bit wasteful.
Yeah. I don't know what we're going to do with all the boxes, but...
We're going to recycle them, of course.
Hopefully inside of one of the boxes, there's the answer.
Okay, you totally missed this. This is from Michelle Honda Phillips. This is Mike Honda's daughter. She wasn't able to join us at the wedding. Congratulations, warmest wishes, as you begin your journey together in love and happiness. Thank
That's
you.
also sweet.
What's that?
Ooh, it's a mortar and pestle.
Fun.
Very cool. That's
Super
awesome.
cool. You can actually open that one if you would. Pull it out and check it out.
That's a good idea. Mortar and pestle.
Aren't these cool? These 3/4 sheet pans.
Yeah, did we get another set?
Joanna sent us the 1/4 sheet pans, and I remember it didn't say who they were from.
Did you get the scissors in there? Oh, here.
You're such a beast with the paper.
This made it
It's like a kid on Christmas morning.
even bigger mess. There's too many boxes now. Ooh.
Be intentional about how you open these here.
This is fancy. Look at how beautiful that is.
This is the pestle.
This is the mortar.
From modeling things. It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
Very pretty. So we have
I'm gonna have to learn
3/4
how to
sheets.
crush here.
Probably some feta in there. so,
Obsessed with pepper.
so how many sheets is this? 3/4 sheets and a mortar and pestle. And glass bowls.
Well, no.
Oh,
These are called sheet pans. Let's get the name right.
sheet pans.
These are called sheet pans. They come in
Got it.
different sizes.
Got it.
Okay. A 1/4 sheet pan would be like this much, but this is 3/4 sheet.
3/4 sheet.
And then a full sheet would be one. Never mind. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
A lot of fun. Come back and visit us for more wedding gift opening. We're going to do it slowly and intentionally so that we can thank all of our guests.
Yes. And Crate and Barrel and William Sonoma, we're going to have a series for both of them so you guys can see William Sonoma gifts, what's cool, and then what's cool from Crate and Barrel. I like Crate and Barrel better, but a series on each. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.